Let's face it, unexpected bills love to land at the worst times. Car needs repairs. Fridge decides to take a vacation to appliance heaven. There are a million reasons why a short-term loan might be the answer to your prayers. But with so many lenders out there, the waiting game can feel endless. You need money fast, and the clock is ticking. So, if post-lake lending has caught your eye, you're probably wondering, how long does it actually take to get your hands on that cash? Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into post-lake lending's funding process and unpacking that all-important question. How fast can you get that loan? First things first, a quick intro to post-lake lending. They specialize in personal loans, offering amounts up to $2,500 with no early repayment penalties. Sounds good, right? But what separates them from the competition is their speed. They advertise getting funded as soon the next business day. Sounds impressive, but is it too good to be true? Let's get down to brass tacks. The key player here is ACH transfers, also known as automated clearinghouse. This is basically the electronic highway that moves your money from point A, post-lake lending's account, to point B, your bank account. ACH transfers are generally pretty fast, but there's a catch. Timing is everything. According to post-lake lending's website, ACH transfers completed by 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, CST, will usually be available in your account the next business day. This means the speed of your funds really hinges on when you apply and when that application gets approved. Here's how it shakes out. Scenario 1. The early bird gets the cash. Let's say you're a morning person and you get your application submitted and approved before that 2 p.m. Central Standard Time deadline. Congratulations! You're on the fast track. Your funds will likely be deposited into your account the following business day. That means if you apply and get approved on a Monday, you could see that money in your account as early as Tuesday. Scenario 2. Afternoon applications. Now, what happens if you apply a little later in the day? Don't panic. Applications submitted after the 2 p.m. Central Standard Time cutoff will be processed the next business day. This pushes your funding back a bit. So, an application submitted on a Tuesday afternoon might not hit your account until Wednesday or even Thursday. Weekend warrior? Weekends throw another wrinkle into the mix. Since banks typically don't process ACH transfers on weekends or holidays, any applications submitted on a Saturday or Sunday will likely be reviewed on the following business day. This adds another layer of waiting to the process. Post-lake lending definitely delivers on their promise of fast funding. As long as you get your application in before that 2 p.m. Central Standard Time cutoff on a business day, you're looking at receiving your loan the next business day. However, keep in mind those weekend and holiday considerations. They can slow things down a touch. Beyond the application, additional factors to consider. While the ACH transfer timeframe is a big piece of the puzzle, it's not the only factor that can affect how quickly you receive your funds. Here are a couple of other things to keep on your radar. Verification process. Lenders need to verify your identity and financial information before approving your loan. This process usually involves a soft credit check and reviewing your bank statements. While it shouldn't take a long time, any issues during verification could add a delay. Your bank's processing time. Once post-lake lending releases the funds, it's up to your bank to make them available in your account. Some banks might process transfers faster than others. So, how fast can you really get money from post-lake lending? With all things considered, if you apply early on a business day and there are no hitches during verification, you could be looking at seeing that cash in your account as early as the next business day. However, unexpected delays can pop up, so factoring in a buffer of 2 to 3 business days might be a wise move. Remember, communication is key. If you have any questions about the application process or your loan status, don't hesitate to contact post-lake lending directly. They should be able to give you a more precise time frame based on your specific situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.